Hello everyone. Hey, I'm back out here at this barn. I really like this, and the clouds are great today. So I went home and grabbed another camera. Got this reality.so 6x6 F camera, and today we got a number 8 yellow filter on it. That's one reason why I wanted to see about getting this camera, is I wanted to try it out with the filter. And so let's get a couple pictures with this camera. Let me get it put into the app here. Find the camera. reality.so 6x6 F film. We are using Arista EDU 200. I'm going to put that in there. I should probably shoot that as 100, but we'll put 200 in there, and we're going to put number 8 yellow filter in there. Let's see what we got. It says 2.7. Okay. Hope I didn't move the camera. Probably could have done without the yellow filter, but the picture turned out pretty good. But another thing, I need to start remembering I have to get closer, because when you think you're close, you're not close enough. Got it tilted a little bit. I want to see about getting that, what we do about getting this silo in. So I'll tell you, I keep getting these other cameras, and by the way, I'm not sponsored by anybody, so I am buying these cameras and using them for my own. But let's see what we have here. It's a pretty quick shot, a little less than 2 seconds. We'll go ahead and do 2 seconds. Okay. This is the perfect example right here of where you look like you're pretty close, but when the picture's taken, you can see that it still looks farther away than what we actually were. So it's pretty imperative. You got to get close to your subject. I'm going to get the full frontal of the barn, I think, in here, or try to. Let's see what we got here. I think 2 seconds will do it. Everything's been right around that. Okay. Well, it looks like I moved back about 15 feet or so to take this picture, and it didn't turn out all that bad. But probably if I would have moved back maybe 5 to 7 feet, maybe it would have been a little bit better. But overall, it's not a bad picture. Silo's a little dark from the yellow filter, but I'm happy with it. Sun's coming out. Video, it seems. Okay, let's see what we get from here. It's about a 4-second shot. Probably could be closer to 5. I want to count it off. Hope I didn't shake the camera there. Getting used to this one again. Well, as you can see, needs the same thing, get closer, but not a bad shot. We'll have to live with it. I took it. There's a shed down there to the right. You probably can't see it, how I've got the camera, or how I've got your viewing set up. But I'm going to try to get that in. Well, I'm going to try about 11 seconds. This shot here is not hardly any different than the first shot. I don't know why I didn't go around the other side. They got a side porch over there that would have made a nice shot. But anyway, you got to get close. And I believe I'm going to try to come back out here to this location and shoot this again and get a lot closer and then compare those shots to these shots and see if I improved and learned a little bit how to get close using these pinhole cameras. And we took 5 pictures with a number 8 yellow lens filter. Let's get this moved to the next picture. So we got 3 pictures left for, or no, we got what, 7 pictures left. Forget what film I've got in here. 7 pictures left for another video. So I don't know when we'll do that. Hopefully we can do it pretty quick so we can get this developed and see how it turns out. So anyway, again, if you could subscribe to the video and ring that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, certainly would be appreciated. And of course, We always ask if you could give it a thumbs up. It really helps the video out. So, till next time, grab that camera and get out and do some photography. Catch you later.